Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of Gmat registration? You are not alone. But don't worry, today I am here to guide you through the entire process. And I'll even give you some insider tips on the registration process, how to prepare for the test, study material, test day checklist, and many more. Let's make this journey stress-free. As we all are aware that many universities prefer Gmat test score for admission to international students for masters, so it is important to give Gmat tests in order to achieve your study abroad journey. Let's start with how much fee is required to register for Gmat. So in India, candidate must pay a fee of $275 plus GST or around rupees 27,000. Appointment can't be rescheduled or cancelled within 24 hours. Failure to do so before the deadline will result in losing the full fee. After knowing the fee, are you ready to register for the Gmat? It's easier than you think. In just few simple steps. First, you need to sign up on mba.com. After entering all your personal information, your Gmat registration process will start. Next step is to verify your profile by entering all the mandatory and optional information. After you complete all the information, the next step is to choose whether you want to give the test in online mode or in offline mode. If you want to go ahead in online mode, then you can simply select the date according to your preference. If it is available, you can pay the fees to finally schedule your exam. But if you want to give the test in offline mode, you need to select the center. You can simply add or edit your location and it will automatically show you the nearest exam center. After that, you can add your preferred date and time and check if it is available in your nearest exam center. After finalizing all of this, you just need to pay the registration fees and your exam will be scheduled. You will finally receive your Gmat registration confirmation email. Now that you have completed your registration, the next important step is to getting ready for the big day. Let's go over a simple checklist to make sure that you are fully prepared for the test day. Carry your valid identification document and Gmat confirmation email. Other than this, carry your water. Carry watch without an alarm and wear comfortable clothing layer. A tip from my side, always remember to plan your route beforehand. Arrive at least 30 minutes prior to appointment time and get plenty of rest before the test day. Now let's talk about the things that are not allowed on the Gmat test day. Electronic device, unauthorized study material, food and drinks, writing implements, bags and backpacks. Another important thing, if you are giving the test in online mode, there are few things that you must know. First is test remotely. No one else can be in the room when you are taking the exam delivered online. Be thoughtful about where you plan to take your exam and when you schedule it. Second is always keep the camera on you and be sure to stay in the frame. And at least 1 week before the exam, review the system requirements to ensure that your computer meets the specification needed for the exam. Now that you are familiar with how to handle Gmat in offline mode and in online mode, let's not forget, proper preparation is the key to acing the exam. To help you get there, let's explore some top-rated Gmat prep resources. You can refer to the following list of the best Gmat prep books available. The Princeton Review Gmat Premium Prep, Manhattan Prep All the Gmat, GMAC Gmat Official Guide, Mometrix Test Preparation Gmat Prep Book, and Kaplan Gmat 800. Other than all these books, you must practice some mock tests before you sit an exam. Some available online mock tests are Gmat Prep by GMAC, Manhattan Prep, Magoosh Gmat, Kaplan Gmat, and Veritas Prep Gmat. Now that you know about the books and mock tests, if you are still wondering, आखिर start कहाँ से और कैसे करना है, do let us know in the comments below and we will make a separate video on Gmat Prep. Or you can book a free counseling session with one of our experts at Admitex. We will assist you with your entire application process and you will get a guaranteed scholarship that will help you manage your finances. The link is in the description below. And there you have it, a complete guide on Gmat registration and everything you need to know before the test day. I hope this video helps you feel more prepared and confident as you take a next step towards your study abroad dreams. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and drop if you have any questions in the comments below. Good luck!